YouTube. Here is my battery charger. This one, automatic battery charger. I charge this battery, 12 volt battery, with this plus minus. This battery here, 12 volt, come from Sevylor, and Sevylor, I will use this battery for my rubber boat. It's a new thing, I never used this rubber boat. It's a rubber boat for fishing, and this rubber boat uses a motor, and this motor uses 12 volt battery. So I bought this charger, automatically battery charger, for loading this battery, and then my rubber boat is another place, but here is my motor. Here, Sevylor from 1948, the original since 1948. So my rubber boat is like this. It's a fishing boat. So here you can see plus minus, and then you have this 12 volt battery inside boat for fishing. This is not a fishing boat, this is something else, but this with the motor too. Yeah, see here, 8.2 kilo, 12 volt, like this. Sevylor. So this is brand new, never used, so I have to do some things here. Here is propel, like this, propel. And this here it is. Here it's another manual, and here it is, this motor. Yes. So I will make a new video when this is on water, so I can show you how this boat is. Very nice. And here it's this manual for motor. Battery is loading. So we will see, open this manual, and this France, no, okay, here is my language, electric motor. So with some things here to see about. Yes. Okay. This is loading good. Come in this box. This battery charger.